A Popcat video. You can see here we hit our target we were looking for last video we did. It appeared about 47 cents. Fibonacci was right around 48, 40 to 48, 49. You can see it actually came up above 47, went up to about 49. Alright, so we hit our 618 fib level. Alright, now we have had a pullback here. Let's get this up here. Get this off here since we hit it. Alright, and if we take a fib, let's get this off here. Let's clean this up a little bit. There we go. Get that off there, and it looks like we're probably right around a 702 pullback. This is right in a little bit deeper than that, actually. Pulling back, wow, down below 786. Wow, that oh, excuse me. If you get a pullback, that's what you'd like to see. Man, oh man. If you can get them that deep, which is pretty rare, but I would expect this thing to start definitely back towards the upside. Alright, we come in on a 12-hour. You can see a resistance line coming down through here. That's why I'm trying to get in here a little bit tighter. Right down through here. Looks like we broke it. Right? I mean, you had, let's go to 4. Yeah, it definitely broke it. Right? I mean, it was out right about there. It was actually in a little bit tighter, right about here. Right? So it has broke the resistance towards the upside here. Yeah, Popcat looking pretty decent. Let's go back out on that daily and look at the RSI. Relative Strength Index pointing towards the upside. Bitcoin looks like it has completed its ABC target that I put that out the other day, just a couple days ago. I didn't put out a Popcat video, but the videos I did the other day, I watched for an ABC in Bitcoin. That's exactly what it ended up doing in ABC, and it looks like it's heading back to the upside. That thing could be heading towards about 130. Look at that. That came right back down, right to the support, back over here, right back on there. What I don't want to see here is like a head and shoulders type thing forming out here, right? I don't want to see anything like that. If we go out on a weekly, RSI turning back to the upside. Did we have a lower, a little bit of bearish divergence here? No, we don't. I'm sorry. I apologize. We had this high and lower high. That's how it was on price action also. Alright, now if we pull this down here, yeah, this thing should definitely be making a pretty decent run back towards the upside here. Just like I said before, just retracement levels for this. It hasn't even come back up, and not even near a 382 yet. A 618's over, right around $1.33. Right now we're 30 cents. Okay, so you should definitely be seeing some moves out of this. Bitcoin dominance looks like it's about rolling over. So we have the weekly RSI heading toward the upside, and the monthly. Don't have a monthly yet. But yeah, this looks pretty beat down. Let me come over here and show you real quick. I want to show you Bitcoin dominance real quick because that's another one that's started out the week with a nice big red candle, which is looking good. We got this, man, I know I've said it for a while, and it has been what feels like for my whole life, but that altcoin season, man, oh man, it is coming, my friends, no question about it. I mean, that is, let's get off turbo here. You can go up here. I want to show you Bitcoin dominance. It has started the week with a big red candle. Here we go. Dominance. Why isn't it right there? There we go. 61.6. It's down 0.5% for the day. All right, but here you go. There's our week, right? This is on a weekly chart right here. This red candle, it came up to a 382. All right, I think that's more than likely all the higher it's going to retrace. This thing If it's doing what I think it's doing, it's going to start a wave 3 down next, which that should definitely pick up some steam. But it looks like this. Looks like this is what's going on here to me. All right, a 382 is typical of a wave 2 pullback. Wave 3, 4, and so on to the downside. But I believe that's what's happening here. This week could turn out being a really nice week. If it ends up taking out this low, right about 60.4%, yeah, it's really going to pick it up then. Then we'll take out this yellow support line here, which runs right down through here. This thing, it's been running up for the last 3 years. We're looking for a break of that. And then things are really going to get fun, guys. I mean, all of this stuff is just going to start exploding. Bitcoin, that ABC, was right up in, it's going to daily. Right up in here. Get this off here real quick and show you. Ended up coming up and hitting a 618 numerous times here, right? So it ended up, you take a fib right from the top, pull it down here, and get it right on. Ended up coming A, B, pull that down on top, C, right? And extending just a little bit, but this thing, next target for Bitcoin could be up towards 130,000. Alright, looks like it has reached the bottom. Look at that, right up here would be next target, 130. Got that daily RSI heading up, weekly turning back to the upside, and the monthly. Monthly, it's kind of going a little bit sideways there, but yeah, 130 could be your next target. If it gets back up through here, through 120, all right, it breaks 120, then 130 would be the next target for Bitcoin. All right, we got Bitcoin dominance, like I said, looking like it's starting to roll over here, and that should make that should give Popcat some pick up steam here. I think this thing is going to definitely start making a bigger run. And I think it's the same thing it's probably going on with Turbo. What you got is something like this. This would all be a 3, 4, and it's hard to say where this could go, but I think inside of it here, I think what you got going on is a 1, 2, same thing as Turbo, 4 and 5, inside of a wave 3. Alright, and I think this thing's heading back up towards these retracement levels. Alright, so keep an eye on Popcat. Looks like a bottom. Got a nice big green candle here. Still not a big green candle. It'll start the week, but I think it'll pick up as the day goes on. And keep an eye on these things. They're looking good. Alright, have a great day, everybody. Check out a level 3 membership in the description of the video. Come join us in Discord, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, everybody.